The school semester is now done. I finally have some more time to make some videos for you guys. Today I have an audio product that I hope you'll find interesting, so let's get into it. What's up, social media? My name's Dre Williams, and today I'm here with the Anker Soundbud Surge, which I recently picked up off Amazon for $30. Hopefully you can tell since last video, but my hair has grown. This makes me not want to wear headphones anymore, so I decided that I need to pick up some earbuds to avoid that taco hairstyle that, me being black people get in their hair if you wear headphones. So I decided to head over to Amazon and actually found the Anker Sound. You just forgot the product name, didn't you? Yep, I just forgot the title. And I bet you're probably going to try and restart the take, or maybe just retry the whole video. No, I'm just hoping that maybe I can get back on track after my little error there, if you'll let me do that. I might just let you do that. Okay, so I'm going to get back to presenting the product now, if that's cool. It's great. Is that cool? Yeah, it's great. Great. When I was on Amazon, I actually found myself looking for earbuds and saw the Soundbud Slim. Now those had more reviews to them, and I said, okay, maybe I should get those ones. But after clicking around some of the related products, I was able to find the Soundbud Surge. They did have less reviews to them, but they did have 4.5 stars, so I said, hey, why not try the one that was released more recently, and maybe even make a video explaining to some people how they work, if they're quality, and in the end, if it's worth also paying $30 for. So let's roll that unboxing footage.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
If you haven't already guessed by now, what we have here are the Anker Soundbud Surge. And out of the box they have 3 plastic bags, with the first one holding a micro USB cable for charging, the second one holding wingtips, which range in various sizes from small to large, and the third plastic bag holding the ear tips, which come in sizes large, medium, and small. And here's the starter manuals, but who cares? Out of the box, the headphones did come with a nice little suede carrying case to hold the headphones in. On the wire, you will find your audio control buttons with volume up, down, and a multifunction button, a mini USB port for charging, and a mic for Bluetooth calling. The packaging was clean and concise. Now let's get on to some of the details. Now the earbuds did come with a clothing clip, but I personally didn't find myself using this clip because if you're one of the few people who also needed to have the earbuds firmly in your ear and also have a magnetic connection when they're not in your ear, then go right on ahead and use the clothing clip. The bass on the headphones is surprisingly good, and the headphones do contain 6mm drivers to supply it. The isolation of the earbuds alone is fairly impressive, and even just putting these things in by themselves, I found that I was able to block out majority of the audio that was around me. Now, if you wanted to pay $30 for some headphone, earbud, piece, sound isolator blockers, then these might be for you. That's a little expensive for something to block out sound, but to each his own. When listening to instrument-heavy music, you can definitely distinguish the different instruments that you're hearing and the tone that they're being played at, and there's also an accurate representation of their spacing in the room when the song was recorded. Now, one of the standout flaws that I did find with the headphones was straight out of the box, I noticed that the headphones seem to prefer music coming out of the right side. I didn't enjoy this, and I do know that based on stereo, sometimes certain things should come out of the right side, certain things should come out of the left. But what I had to do was go into my sound settings and adjust the audio so that the left-right balance was a little bit more favoring to the left, so I could get a more even distribution of music when I was playing it through my ears. All in all, the headphones do produce good audio, and keeping in mind that they are only $30, you have to understand that they do have a very good bang for your buck type of appeal to them, and it is a purchase that I could see myself making again. Good job on that, Anker. Now when it comes to design and portability, the headphones are actually super lightweight, and because of that weight, you don't have to worry about them falling out of your ear when you do the shake your head test. And based on the fact that they provide multiple sizes of earbuds and wingtips, you can make sure that you do find that secure fit in your ears. I've been told that relative to my body, I do have small ears, so I did find myself using not only the small earbuds, but also the small wingtips. But if you need, there's also medium and large wingtips for you. A useful feature of the headphones is that they do have magnetic backings that clip together. Now this is useful because whenever you do need to get out of your sound isolation and actually interact with the world around you, crazy, right? Then it's as simple as taking them out of your ears and just clipping them together at the bottom of your neck. So I did enjoy that. Even though I would consider myself someone who does not sweat profusely, the earbuds are actually coated in a nano coating, which is rated up to IPX4, I believe. So if there's ever those days that you want to push yourself to an extra level in the gym, if you want to go out in the rain possibly with these on, and you can have a peace of mind knowing that you won't have to put them in a bowl of rice if you happen to get them a little bit wet. When it comes to the battery of these earbuds, I tested them by actually listening to a podcast at about a moderate volume. I can say that I got 5.5 hours out of these guys before I had to charge them again, and when it did come to charging them, it was as simple as just opening the latch and plugging the mini USB into the side and seeing the blue light up, and that's how you know that they're charging. The charge time didn't take too long, and I'm actually fairly pleased with the fact that after I use them, I can just do a quick charge and you get about 5.5 to 6 hours of usage back on them. One flaw I did notice with these is the fact that they don't really come with markers to indicate the sizing on the ear tips. So other than the obvious cues to suggest which one the largest is, being the fact that it's going to be the largest circle, it's kind of hard to tell the difference between small and medium ear tips. So you might just happen to find yourself wearing a small in one side and a medium in the other. But I guess at the end of the day, that might not matter considering it should just be how well the earbuds fit in your ear. Who cares if one is small and one is medium, right? I'm just saying that I noticed that. Based on the fit, the sound, the comfort, and just the general portability of these headphones, I can say that all in all, I am a happy buyer of the Anker Soundbuds Surge. So if you're also someone who found yourself on Amazon and you're willing to fork out $30 for some earbuds that sound good, are very portable, and you can just wear them in a bunch of different situations, then I could highly recommend the Anker Soundbuds Surge to you. Before I get to closing off this video, I'm gonna have a little note to the editor of this video. So, yo, what's up, editor?
Yo, what's up, man?
How are you?
I'm doing good. You know, I just been editing.
That's great. I haven't really thought about an outro song for this video yet, so I'm just asking you, could you make it, kind of interesting, maybe old school, bit of a nice beat to it, and just, bring this video out in a real nice way? You think you could do that for me?
I got you.
Great, thank you. So if you guys enjoyed the video and are interested in the headphones, do click the link in the description because I did include the link to Amazon. Drop a like, comment if you did enjoy it, or subscribe to the channel and I will have more content for you. As for now, this has been Dre Williams. Thanks for watching. And remember, breathe manually.